Hey everyone, welcome back to SFDC Ninja, and today I am back with 5th episode of Flow Scenario series. In this scenario, we are going to understand how we can add picklist field in Flow. For example, let's say we have an object that contains a picklist field. Now the requirement is to use that picklist field inside ScreenFlow so that all the picklist values should be displayed automatically in the Flow screen. This is the requirement. I hope it is clear to you. So without wasting any more time, let's start our work. Let's create our flow. We will select screen flow. Now guys, what we'll do, we will add a screen. Let's put the label opportunity details, and here from this component list we will put pick list on our screen. Let's provide label Now guys, this is where we set the values for the pick list. So here we can add values manually like this: test1, test2. But if a picklist field contains many values, then manual entry is not a good approach. So to solve this problem, we have choice resource in Flow. So let's click on this new choice resource, and here basically we want to fetch picklist values from the stage name field of opportunity object. So we will select this picklist choice set. API name will be stage name, object will be opportunity, data type will be picklist, and here we need to provide the field name. Click on done. So guys, basically we are setting the source from where we want to fetch the picklist values, and here in our case we are fetching picklist values from stage name field. So click on done. Next, what we'll do, we will update the opportunity record using this picklist. See, we will add this screen flow to opportunity record detail page, and whatever value the user selects from the picklist, we will use it to update the opportunity record. So let's use update record element, update opportunity record. We don't have any record collection, so let's select this second option. Object will be opportunity. Now guys, before our next step, we will create a variable for record ID. Record ID data type will be text, and we will make it available for input by checking this checkbox. Basically, this variable allows us to pass the record ID from opportunity record detail page into the flow. Click on done, and here we will apply filter on opportunity ID like this. Opportunity ID equals record ID. So this filter ensures that only the record on whose detail page the flow is running should get updated. And finally, we will update the stage field with the value selected by the user from the picklist on the screen. So this is our screen and this is our picklist. Our flow is ready. Let's save it. Flow scenario, picklist field in screen flow. Click on save. Let's activate it. Now we will put this screen flow on opportunity record detail page. So let's edit this page. Select flow and put it here. Our flow name is this, and here we need to select this checkbox in order to pass record ID into this variable that we have created. Click on save. As of now, the current stage of this opportunity record is value proposition. Now we will select a different value. Click on next, and it gets updated. Let's select perception analysis. Click on next, and again it gets updated, which means our flow is working fine. So that's it for today guys, and I'll be back with more interesting flow scenarios. Thank you and keep watching.